In this tutorial, we will learn how to draw realistic eyes and eyebrows. Stay tuned to learn more right here on BoardBox. Begin drawing 2 circles for the eyes to represent full eyeballs. This will help when structuring the eyes later. To measure the space between the eyes, use your pencil to measure the width of the eyeball you just drew. The space between the eyes is roughly the same width of the eye itself. Use that measurement to draw the width of the second eyeball. Measure out the height of the first eye to ensure consistency between the 2 eyes. Draw a line to define the middle of the eyes. Add the corner of the eyes slightly below the middle line. The outer corner will meet more in the center line. Draw a curved line for the top lid. Be mindful of the shape of the line and how the lid would fit around a 3-dimensional eyeball. Then add the bottom lid. Repeat for the second eye. Try to keep both eye shapes as symmetrical as you can. Don't worry if they aren't perfect. Add the 2 curved lines for the nose. When you are finished with the eye shape, add the iris, which is the colored part of the eye, which will be in the center of the eye, partially covered by the top and bottom lid. Use a shading stick or your finger to define the top and bottom lids. When shading brown objects, remember that shadows fall in the deeper areas, making them darker, and light casts greater on the raised areas, making them lighter. In the center of the iris is the pupil, which is the small black circle. Eyeballs are reflective, so we will be adding a highlight at the top of the eyes. Color in the pupil black, the iris a mid-tone, and leave the highlight white. To add eyelashes, add short, sporadic strokes which are curved upward. Eyelashes are not evenly placed and do not appear overly thick when viewing them head-on. Use shadowing around the eye to convey eyelash thickness with few actual visible eyelashes. Drawing eyebrows are easiest when you have a full face because the shape of the eyebrow pivots from the placement of the nose. Using your pencil as a guide, align the pencil from the edge of the nose to the inner corner of the eye. This is where the brow should begin. Measure from the tip of the nose to the pupil. This is where the arch of the eyebrow should begin. Measure from the tip of the nose to the edge of the eye. This is where the brow should end. Sketch out the shape of the brow based on these points. Use short strokes to create the individual brow hairs and fill in both brows. Your eyes are finished. For more lessons in art, crafts, DIYs, tips, and tutorials, visit getboardbox.com and subscribe to our channel by clicking at the top. Thanks for watching!